we go again. Alright, well, this is the Kadikart. This is the first legitimate go-kart I ever built. I started in the fall of 2019, and it's been a perpetual project ever since because I finish it, and then I drive it off a building, it breaks, I finish it again, and then I break it again. So, it's, I don't know what to describe it as. It is started as a Weber grill. To this day, the main frame is a Weber grill. It's just been reinforced. It has a nice little custom front suspension with mountain bike shocks. But in general, it is sort of the architecture of just your general yard cart. In today's episode of Fixing Things, we got a few things to fix. One is the engine plate. You can see there it's fairly misaligned, and that's causing the chain to come loose. That's what happened in the first clip. So we're going to tighten that up. In other news, the carburetor got shifted on its intake manifold. So we're going to just realign that. It was kind of running rough as a result of that. And the piece de resistance, the frame is cracked in half. We'll get more on that later, but yeah, it's cracked in half. Bad. I don't know what was really holding it together, but anyway, we have to fix that. And I'm zooming in on that because I was going to fix it, but I didn't. So, to get started here, removing the seat. It's just a couple pieces of office chair. Getting that out. Now we can see just how bad it was. It was actually only the top bit of that box tube that was holding the frame together. And as you're about to see, it's actually the same on the other side when we eventually get to the other side. But yeah, cracked clean in half. That is original Weber grill right there. You'll also notice that the reinforcement did not tie in there. Why I didn't reinforce it properly? Beats me. That side's actually buckled, which is really cool. So yeah, thoroughly messed up there. So what we're gonna do is we're going to straighten the frame, make it not a banana, and then we will patch it up and finish the reinforcement correctly. The method for straightening the frame involves jacking it up in the middle where it's bent, putting an engine and my mother on the front of the go-kart, and me jumping on the back of the go-kart. While not rudimentary, it worked pretty good. After a nice bit of bouncing and jumping, we got the frame pretty well not a banana. As you can see, it's already a lot better. We're just gonna do a little bit more jumping. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. And that ought to do it there. And check it out. Put in the patches, welded it up. I do have the cheapest Harbor Freight welder possible, so pardon the welds. I'm not going to claim to be a good welder, but that's good enough. And check it out, we fixed the carburetor too, while you weren't looking. And oh shoot, I forgot about the chain. Yep, that'll do it. Yep, pretty well tight. Give it a good tug. We're good. Let's go send it now.